Clark? What happened?
I hiccuped.
What?
I hiccuped. And our house turned into the Poseidon adventure.
Then what?
I swallowed a teaspoonful of sugar. I held my breath. Just like my mom taught me when I was a kid. This is unbelievable. The one thing I could always count on my entire life. My strength. It's become my biggest weakness.
Okay, just calm down. Just sit here. And let me tell you the good news. Okay, good. I think Perry's son is behind all of this.
What?
Shh. He's been flashing around a lot of money. And the place where he works is out of business. The same day that jewelry store was robbed, he gave Perry a new watch, the exact kind that was stolen. So I followed him to this little bar, and I saw him talking to a couple of guys, one of whom we helped bust for a series of robberies a couple of years ago. The guy gave him some money. A lot of it.
Did they say anything about red kryptonite?
I couldn't hear everything, but the word protection came up.
Since my powers have gone out of whack the last few times I've tried to stop these robberies, you're thinking that Jerry's getting paid to mess me up with red kryptonite.
So all we have to do is find out where he's stashing it and get rid of it.
Great! Lois, honey, I can't go out there like this. It's not safe. Do you think you could go solo for a while?